on you.
Then we just go. Do a jump. You ready?
Do a backflip. Can you do a backflip? No. Can you? Maybe. No. I might have been able to. I'll probably land on my ass.
No, I have visual back. How are you going to do it? Like do the triangle, basically.
What you gonna do? Quiet kick.
Yeah, do a full kick.
It's pretty high.
Ready?
Ready when you are.
Tell me, Thor.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, shit.
Nice.
Catch.
Oh shit. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. It's amazing in the photos. It looks so much higher than when he only just jumped like that.
Wrong. It's very high. Look at the fucking hole I left in the ground. Alright, what are we doing now?
Do a video?
Cocktail vibes?
Photo or video?
I got yeah, and a photo. And
Well, technically, a video is just a series of very quick photos. And over.
You got to get a photo at all you.
Yeah. Water. Just for con.
Mate, how did you source all the material? Everything, bro. It's impressive, man. You've imported everything, basically.
I wish I could do. Should be smacking sick.
Do a backy.
I have done many festivals.
I'll film you. Slow motion backy.
Not on big stages.
What are you doing, mate? Doing a backflip.
Oh, no, he's not.
It's going to be for the. I need to do a video first. I want to.
He's not doing a backflip. Surely.
Yeah. Oh shit. Let me know when you're ready.
Wait.
Ready when you are, big dude.
3.
Do a backflip.
How's the weather forecast, bro?
All good. Cloudy with a chance of meatball. Doesn't even matter.
Not like Melbourne.
You lived in Melbourne?
I did.
It's fucking terrible, bro. 4 seasons, 1 day.
Tell me about it.
The one place in the world.
But then, all right, let's have beer.
You want a beer?
On the beach.
Yeah.
Are you having beer here?
Do a backflip, bro.
Do a backflip, Connor. You can do it.
Are you